Hi, Chuck Richards here with Dover&Company. You know, from garage doors to entry doors, Dover does it. And today I caught up with Chris Tobias. He just got done installing a entry door and a storm door. And I'm going to have him walk through, you know, how to take the proper measurements. So when you're looking to replace your entry door or your storm door, you have it all figured out so you get accurate pricing and it becomes a perfect fit and you're satisfied from beginning to end. So, Chris, hey, great job on this door.
Thanks, Chuck.
Now, on measuring the door, if you're going to replace an entry door, where do you want to start? So if I want to start getting prices and I want to start shopping online, it has to start with the measurement, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So for this door currently, you got your two side lights here and your door in the middle. What you want to do is you want to measure from brick to brick. So you want to measure from your left side brick to your right side brick.
Okay.
And then you want to measure up and down. So you want to measure from your bottom brick to your top brick. And that'll get you your length there and your height. And then you're going to open your storm door here and you're going to open your slab here. And you want to get your jamb measurement. So your jamb measurement is from behind the seal to where this storm door starts.
And the most common is 4 9/16.
4 9/16, correct. And then you want to get your slab measurement. So you're going to step in here. You're going to measure your slab from left to right, and you're going to measure your slab from up to down. And then you also want to get your hinge. So this door goes in and to the right. So this is a right-hand in-swing door. And those are your main measurements to get you started on your new entry door.
All right, very good. Visit us online, Dover&Company.com. Follow us at Twitter. Reach out to us on Instagram. We always love to hear from you. And remember, Dover does it.